So just the way English is about alphabets,
One.
maths is about numbers. Okay, all of you? Just
Yes.
the way English is about alphabets and words, maths is about numbers. Okay? Now, maths is not about numbers only. It's about numbers and digits. Does anyone know what's the difference between numbers and digits? Before
Yes.
you step into the depth of maths, it's very important you should know that there are two very slightly different things called digits and numbers. Okay, they're different. Most of us do not know what is the difference between digits and numbers. Akshit, you wanted to answer, so do you know what's the difference between digits and numbers, Akshit?
The digits are like two digits
Ma'am,
is two numbers.
Yeah,
Ma'am?
ma'am. Yeah,
And
Akshit.
three digits is like
you
three
are
numbers.
mute, ma'am.
And
Your voice is not coming.
Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, yes. Yes, you are audible.
I can't hear, ma'am.
Ikshit parents, yeah. Can you please check your mic, ma'am? Yeah. Shreya ma'am, can you speak one more time?
Yes, Ikshit, can you hear?
Ikshit,
Ikshit,
ये
can
कर
you
दिया था
hear
ना
us?
इसका
Yes, your voice is audible there.
ma'am,
And
I
any
think.
other students, are you able to
वो
hear
दिए
me?
लीडर इसके इसके हाथ जड़ा लग गई है वो चीज खत्म है
yes, ma'am, you're audible for me.
Okay.
You are
Ma'am,
audible.
I think we can just leave a message to her in the chat box that she
Okay,
might leave
fine,
and
fine,
rejoin.
fine. Fine,
Yeah.
you continue. I'll
Okay,
fill it.
rest of you. Devika, please be on mute. Devika, please be on mute. Okay, so rest of you, as I was telling Akshit, yes, please continue. Sorry for the inconvenience. Akshit, continue, beta.
Two digit is the two
Okay.
numbers. Three digit is the three numbers. And four digit is the
No,
four
no, no,
numbers.
no, Akshit, wrong, wrong. Anyone else?
क्या
What's the
किया
difference
सच बोल
between digits and numbers? What's the difference between digits and numbers?
डिजिटल नंबर क्या किया
Sridhar,
सच बोल क्या
Dreacher,
किया डिजिटल नंबर सच बोल तो क्या किया है
मुझे नहीं दिया
अब मतलब लेकर चप्पल और
Sridhar, please keep the camera on. Okay,
हाँ
digits and numbers differ. Digits and numbers differ in the same way as alphabets and words. Digits and numbers differ in the same way as alphabets and words. Okay? Digits and numbers differ in the same way as alphabets and words. For example, what are alphabets? When we speak in the English subject or language, alphabets are from A to Z, isn't it, all of you? Alphabets are from A to Z, na?
yes
Correct? Yes, correct.
yes
What are words? Words are something that are made up using two or more alphabets, isn't it? Words are something which is made up of two or more alphabets, isn't it? For example, suppose if I have to write maths, I'm using how many alphabets over here? One, two, three, four, five alphabets, five different alphabets, isn't it? Similar is the difference between similar is the difference between digits and numbers. Digits are, we have only 10 digits in mathematics. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Just like in English, you have 26 alphabets. Similarly, in maths, you have 10 digits. Everyone is requested to be please unmute, okay? You may unmute yourselves when you have to answer or ask something. So in maths, we have 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, all of you? Now, when we have to make numbers, we make them using two or more digits. For example, suppose if I have to write the number 15, which two digits should I use, Niladri? If I have to write the number 15, which two digits shall I use?
Ma'am, 1 5.
1 and 5, isn't it? Niladri?
Hello? Five.
Niladri?
5.
1 and 5, na? Two digits are used, na? 1 and 5, isn't it? Yes
Yes.
or no? Yes? So, there is a difference, slight difference between digits and numbers. Digits are 0 to 9. They form the base, they are the foundation of mathematics. Whereas numbers are combining two or more digits. So, how many of you knew difference between digits and numbers? Anyone knew this difference between digits and numbers? No one was able to answer. So I don't think anyone knew this. Anyone knew this? Akshay, did you know this?
Yes.
Akshay, did you know this?
You already told, but you said it was on.
Did you know the difference between digits and numbers? Tabeen, Akshay,
No.
Anna? So now if anyone tries to confuse you that digits and numbers are same, you will make them understand the difference. Okay, you don't get confused. You don't just get carried on. Okay, you tell them that digits and numbers are not same. They are different, just like alphabets and words. Okay, all of you, show me your thumbs if you understood. Show me your thumbs quick if you understood. Where are the thumbs? I don't see any of the thumbs. Show me your thumbs. Ikshit shows, Akshit shows, Tabeen shows. Very good. Okay. Moving on. So, as I already told you, there are 10 digits in our number system, and these are the 10 digits that make up the entire vast subject, which is mathematics. Okay, your favorite subject, mathematics, made up of these 10 digits. Now, among these digits, which is the largest digit? Among these digits, which is the largest digit? Trijal. Among these digits, which is the largest one, Trijal? Tabeen, which is the largest digit among these?
इसमें इसमें कौन है इसमें? हाँ, बताओ कौन है?
Ma'am, 9.
9, correct. Among these digits, 9 is the largest digit. And what is the smallest digit? Akshit? What's the
Ma'am,
smallest? Akshit, we would go turn-wise, Akshit. Please wait. Yes, Akshit. What's the smallest digit, Akshit?
1.
1. Why not
Ma'am,
0?
0.
Why not 0? Akshit?
0.
Okay, Tabeen says 0, Akshit says 1. Okay, let me tell you, mathematically 1 is the smallest digit, okay? But sometimes 0 is considered to be the smallest, but it's situational. Situational as in, suppose if I have these, if I have, let's say 7, 0, 3, and 9. Okay, if I have to arrange these from big to small, in that case, 0 is obviously the smallest among these, na? So 0 comes first. So in this case, 0 is considered the smallest. But mathematically, 1 is the smallest digit. Why? Because 0 has no value. 0 is a 0. Isn't it? 0 is a 0, no value, it's not good enough. It has no worth. Okay. So that is why 1 is considered to be the smallest, what? 1 is
Number.
considered digit. Correct. 1 is considered to be the smallest digit. Okay. Now, these digits are used to frame numbers. Frame numbers means make numbers. These digits are used to frame numbers, smallest and largest numbers. So when we are making largest number now, the largest number says, keep repeating 9 for me. The largest number says, keep repeating the largest digit for me. Keep repeating the 9 for me. So that is why, suppose if I have to write largest one digit, I write 1 times 1, 9. Largest two digit, I write 2 times 9, 3 digit, 3 times, 4 digit, 4 times. Okay. So how many times the digit is asked, that many nines I keep on writing. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
If I have to write largest 7-digit number, how many nines should I write, Ikshit? If I have to write the largest,
9.
Ikshit, not Akshit, Ikshit, if I have to write the largest 7-digit number, what should I write?
बोलो बोलो मैम को
How
बताओ
many times 9?
हाँ बोलो मैम 7 लाख 7 9
7 times 9. Okay, Ikshit?
है
Okay, Ikshit? Next,
यस
if I have to make the smallest number, if I have to make the smallest number, I make it using zeros and one. If I have to make the smallest number, I make it using zeros and one. Now, over here, it's slightly difficult. Okay. I always start with a one. Can you see? I always start with a one. Okay.
Yes.
Now, for one digit, only one digit needed. So done. For smallest 2 digit, there should be 2 digits. So I start with a 1. The remaining blank is filled with a 0. For smallest 3 digit, I need 3 digits over here. Okay. So 3 digits start with a 1. Remaining fill with zeros. So the rule is always start with 1 and fill the remaining with zeros. Okay. Akshit, Tabin, Ikshit. Okay, all of you?
Okay.
So now, do you observe over here? There is one pattern hidden. There is one pattern hidden. The number of zeros are one less than the number of digits. For example, in 2 digits, there was 1 0. In 3 digits, there were 2 zeros. In 4 digits, there are 3 zeros. So in smallest 8 digit, how many zeros would be there, Tabin? In smallest 8 digit number, how many zeros should be, one should be followed by how many zeros?
7.
Tabi, 7. Very good. One less than the number of digits required. Okay. Akshit, Tabin, Ikshit, Trijal. Okay, everyone. Okay. Did you know smallest and largest numbers framing? Did
Yes.
you know? Yes. Okay. Now, what is over here on my screen? What's here on my screen? What's here on my screen, everyone? Yes?
मैम कंपैरिजन वर्ड
No. The drawing is of what? What is the drawing of? This is what? This drawing is over here of what? This one, sorry. What is this drawing? What is it? What do you call it?
डिफरेंट
Weighing scale. This is a weighing scale, na? Yes or no? You have seen it. You have seen it in the market. The fruit vendors, the vegetable vendors. You have not seen the weighing scale. How you
Yes.
went
I
shopping?
was speaking in
Vegetable
YouTube. Yes.
Jeweler shop also we have a small weighing scale. Fruit
यस
shop, grocery stores, vegetable, fruit, everywhere we have it. You never have been to the market for vegetable shopping? Have you ever been to the market with your parents?
ये बात करे खड़े होकर ढंग से बैठ जा
Yes. No? So this is weighing scale used to weigh things. Which one is heavy, which one is light, isn't it? So can we put numbers and weigh on them? We can do them, na? If I give you two numbers, let's say 5 and 7. I can put 5 over here, 7 over here, and we can weigh it, isn't it? Which one is heavy, which one is light, which one is big, which one is small? Can you weigh it? Can you compare numbers on a weighing scale?
यस मैम
You can. So in exam, if comparison is given, do you carry a weighing scale in your exam? If ma'am asks you which is the bigger number, 557 or 75, do you take the weighing
Oh,
scale to measure in exam?
sorry.
Yes, no, ma'am.
Yes, you have a weighing scale, Ikshit, at your home then?
No.
No, ma'am.
Then how do you take it in the exam? Obviously, numbers cannot be weighed or measured on weighing scale, okay? So that is why mathematicians have provided us with three symbols: greater than, less than, and equal to. Do you know the crocodile story behind this symbol? Do you know the story of the crocodile behind this symbol?
Yes. My bird वाले
This is the mouth of a hungry crocodile, isn't it? A hungry crocodile by the lake who used to eat all the big, big things, isn't it?
I learned this in school. I learned this in
Yeah.
school.
So the crocodile, since it's always hungry, it's a huge animal, na? It's always hungry. So it's always wants to eat big, big, huge, huge things. That is why the crocodile's mouth is always open towards the bigger things. For example, 57 and 75, crocodile will eat 75 because that's bigger. So the mouth will be open towards that side. Okay. So this is 57 less than 75. Okay. Okay. Yes or
Yes.
no? So three
Yes.
symbols are used to compare numbers: less than, greater than, and equal to. Now, what is the need of comparing numbers? Why do you have to compare numbers? Why is it so important to compare numbers? Hmm? Why is it so important to compare numbers? So that we can know which is small and which is big.
Bigger.
And accordingly, we can arrange them in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. Okay. Ascending means ascending up, like climbing up the stairs. You can see the diagram over here, the example. Ascending means like climbing up the stairs. So it's small to big. Ascending is small to big. Descending means descending down the stairs. That means coming
Big
down
to
the
small.
stairs. So it is big to small. Very good. Okay. So ascend, getting up, small to big. Excuse me. And descending is big to small, coming down. Okay. Okay. Now, over here is one example. See, 43, smallest. So it comes first, less than 55, less than 78, less than 98, and less than 101. That's ascending order. Okay. If this same pair of numbers has to be arranged in descending order, Akshit, what would come first? If these same numbers are to be arranged in descending order, which number comes first, Akshit?
43.
But that's the smallest. Descending is small to big. Descending, I'm asking, not ascending.
Big to small. Big
If
to
you have to
small.
arrange it in descending order, descending is big to small. So what comes first in the
Okay.
series?
101 and then
101. Very good.
and then n-
98, then
nine.
78, 55, and then 43. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So do you understand ascending, descending?
Yes. Yes.
So let's see if you can answer this. Tabeen, can you answer this? The largest three-digit number with different digits would be what? The largest three-digit number with different digits would be what?
Three-digit largest number with different digits. Ma'am, 999? Yes, 900 with different digits.
999. Read the question, Tabeen, properly. 999 is different digits, Tabeen. The question says largest three digit, but it should be different digits. Akshay, is your answer correct? Akshay, what do you think should
987.
be 7?
987.
Very good. All different digits, 987. Okay, Tabeel. 9 being the greatest digit, after that 8, after that 7. Okay? You cannot take the same digits. The question says different digits. Got it, Tabeel?
Okay.
Good. Next one. Which of the following do you think is arranged in descending order? Let's see who figures it out first.
Me.
Which of the following is arranged in descending order?
D.
Tabeen, which one?
D.
Yes, Akshat. Let's see what her answer is. Tabeen, which one do you think is the descending order?
Sir, we
Yes,
also D.
D. 29, 18, 13, and 12. This is proper descending order. Okay. This is 10, then 7, but after 7, it's 9 over here, ascending. This is 24, then 25, ascending order. This is 12, then 5, okay, but after 5, it's 7, again ascending. So they are not correct, so D is the answer. The last question, which one of the following shows increasing order? Increasing order means which one? Ascending or descending? Increasing order is what? Ascending or descending?
Descending.
No. Increasing, na? Increasing. Increasing step by step. So, ascending. Okay, Taveen?
Okay.
So, which one shows ascending order over here? Um, Come on. Akshat,
A.
Taveen?
A.
A, correct. 508, after that 16, then 31, then 99. Very good. This is descending order. 99, 31, 16, and 8. This is none of them. 31, then 16. This does not follow any order. This is again 8, 9, all jumbled up. So A is our correct answer. Okay.